हेलो एवरीवन, सो आज हम कुकिंग करने वाले एज यू कैन सी। आज हम बनाएंगे केक और मेरे साथ मुझे हेल्प करेंगी शीतल मैम। ठीक है, हमने सारी रेसिपीज ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट इंस्टाग्राम से ही देखी। नथिंग इज बिल्ड बाय अस, सो कम बेक विद अस। maida, milk, which is some butter. Because we are going to make a healthy dessert, we are going to switch to the alternative, which is sugar free. Actually, monk fruit extract से बना है. Check it on the nutritional approximation box. Soda, baking powder. Baking paper. Now we are going to pour some milk chocolate. Tada nahi lagenge because we are having a healthy snack. Guys, this is, and now it's going to go into the air fryer at 160 degrees for around 20 minutes. This is going inside. Set karo. We'll serve looks. Okay.